Okay, so welcome to the 21st devlog series on this application. If you didn't know, I'm building an AI-first phone app on the iPhone devices that lets you filter your calls, screen your calls for you, and even automate your calls for you. So that's my one-liner. I'm still working on that. In all seriousness, this week is pretty straightforward, and one of the biggest things I did this week is essentially launching the application on the App Store. Currently, not doing a blown out type of celebration like with so much marketing, advertisement, stuff like that. Yeah, so I'm currently in like a stealth launch type of thing. The reason why is because I've still yet to work on the video demo on the application. So launching it makes it a lot easier to start marketing it, to start DMing people on about the application, to start working with other influencers, or even like making an actual video demo and then shipping that to actual consumers. So I guess your question could be like, okay, well, when do you plan on actually like launching the application? Like when do you actually plan on launching the application and then actually welcoming more people in? I think I will be more comfortable in launching the app as soon as I've released the next set of features, and that is the outbound calling with your AI assistant, and even connecting some of the AI assistant to the native iPhone or iOS ecosystem on your device, because there are still plenty of things that I've not tackled on with this AI assistant and even like the outbound calling system, which would give the app a much bigger selling point as well, because especially now that the call screen is not being taken over by iPhone. But hey, who cares about that now? My goal is just to keep expanding the application. I guess it doesn't really matter if I release the outbound calling now. To me, what I just think, it completes the full application itself. Like because you can already do outbound calling with the application, but with this thing, it essentially like completes, I guess, what you could imagine your phone app could do for you. And that's why I'm kind of hyped up about releasing this. I mean, the whole app itself is already amazing, because like it already does the things that you previously wouldn't be able to do with your iPhone, but becomes even way better than this. But anyway, so I began working with the UI and UX about the outbound calling with the agent. And what I wanted here is, so I started off with obviously like designing the concept and doing a feasibility study. I've already done a feasibility study like a couple of weeks ago, and I've already known that this feature works. The thing about integrating it is actually not difficult, because a lot of it comes down to using the existing systems that I already have on the application. So like this is kind of like another added feature as well. So we're not reinventing things here. A lot of these things is already in the application. It's more about just automating. So it's not really a huge design. It doesn't need to have a huge design aspect to it. But what it does need is a way to I guess the question is like, how do you actually personalize a call for the user? And that's, to me, that's the biggest challenge so far. Is it's like, how do you design the agent so that, how do you design I guess you could say an assistant that then creates the specialized agent that then satisfies what the call request is, or what the user wanted the AI to do. So that, to me, that's the most difficult aspect here, is actually designing a proper phone agent that then fulfills all the needs for the user. But anyway, okay, I don't want to get into that, because that requires a bit of learning about actual prompt engineering, which you can find on 11 Labs, or you can find on different apps. You can find that on Claude, you can find it on Gemini now. I can't really get into the technical details now, especially when I don't have a proper demo yet. Kind of what's the point of that? So I'm not gonna talk about the pricing now, because like I think I still need that is something for me to go over myself and fix, and actually find the best way to price this thing. But anyway, so other than that, it's like the application is now out on the App Store. It's available only in the US and Canada. I am particularly excited to like releasing it and making it public. So I can start working on like marketing it and actually start DMing people into using the application, seeing what they think. Yeah, so the application is now out. You can get a free trial, and yeah, I'm open for every idea out there on how to improve the app. But I'm just glad that it's already out there. It really does alleviate the heaviness of the perfectionist side of me. And I like just put something out there, man. Like it took about a year to get to this point, although I would say it's probably way shorter than that. Like I'd say 9 months to get to this point because but anyway, I have a lot of thoughts about building this application and things that I wish that I could have done in the beginning, but I'm not gonna do that now. But I definitely like I'm just I'm really looking at the next set of features. Like, oh my god, like just being able to see what really reimagine what the phone app could do for you. It's just amazing, and especially now that you're seeing advances in conversational agents, there is definitely a lot of things here that we can do and empower the user essentially. But anyway, so again, application is now out. You can get the app. There's a free trial you can use. It's available in the US and Canada. And yeah, let me know. It's like it can screen calls for you. It can automate your calls for you. It can essentially do those things. And yeah, see what happens. All right, that's it.